Today, let's paint something simple as we remember happy moments and little joys we have experienced during the week or day. Choose any two colors which you like. It can be your favorite colors or colors which bring you joy. We shall paint a feather as we bring to mind all little joys and happy moments we have had. To paint a happiness feather, let's use watercolor paper, any two shades of watercolors, water, a pencil, a round brush in size 2, tape and a paper towel. You can tape the edges of your paper to the board if you like. Let's start by drawing a light outline of a feather. Choose a color which you like and then make thin strokes with your brush on the paper. As you make each stroke, think of something happy which happened to you recently, or little moments of joy. Go ahead and mix in your second color too, as you continue to paint the feather. As you paint, think of moments you have made others around you happy too, like your family, friends, and colleagues, and feel yourself being filled with joy too. Even the tiniest things can make you feel happy. Meditate on those moments as you paint this feather. It will definitely bring a smile on your face. Enjoy this process as you paint each stroke. Don't forget to take out some time every day or whenever you can to remember things or moments which brought a smile to your face, happiness and joy during the day. You can repeat this process using different colors whenever you remember happy moments and the feeling of joy.